this video, we're going to demonstrate how a high-speed SILVERSON mixer can be used to make paraffin wax emulsions. They are used as additives or coatings in a wide range of products. Mixing is usually carried out at temperature, so both phases are liquid when the emulsion is formed. To ensure stability, it's essential to obtain the smallest possible globule size. A SILVERSON mixer is ideal for this. In a typical process, the wax would be melted separately and any other oil phase ingredients such as oleophilic emulsifiers are added. The aqueous phase, which may include stabilizers, surfactants, coloring and anti-foaming agents, is prepared at a temperature matching or higher than the melting temperature of the wax. The wax is slowly incorporated into the aqueous phase and the SILVERSON mixer emulsifies them together. The high shear mixing action ensures the wax globules are finely dispersed into the water to give a stable finished product. This can be done in the vessel or with larger batches using an inline SILVERSON high shear mixer. Here, the wax would be introduced to the recirculating aqueous phase via a manifold just prior to the inline mixer, so the two phases are immediately subjected to intense high shear action within the rotor-stator workhead. Whatever scale you're working at, we have a mixer that perfectly matches your needs. To find out more, read the application report or contact us today.